Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the difference between agriculture and horticulture, two branches of plant cultivation. 1. Agriculture primarily focuses on large-scale farming practices for food production. 2. Horticulture, on the other hand, deals with the cultivation of plants, mainly for aesthetic and ornamental purposes. 3. Agriculture involves the cultivation of crops like wheat, rice, corn, and soybeans for commercial purposes. 4. Horticulture focuses on growing plants like flowers, fruits, vegetables, and herbs for beautification and consumption. 5. In terms of scale, agriculture generally covers vast areas of land, while horticulture can be practiced on smaller plots or in gardens. 6. Agricultural practices often utilize heavy machinery and technology to maximize production and efficiency. 7. Horticulture involves more manual labor and hands-on care for individual plants. 8. Crop rotation and monoculture are commonly used techniques in agriculture to maintain soil fertility and yield. 9. Horticulture practices often incorporate techniques like grafting, propagation, and pruning to propagate and shape plants. 10. Agricultural crops are typically grown in open fields, whereas horticultural plants can be cultivated in various settings, such as greenhouses or containers. 11. Agriculture is more focused on achieving high yields and meeting food demand for large populations. 12. Horticulture places emphasis on the quality, appearance, and diversity of plants. 13. The use of pesticides and fertilizers is more common in agriculture to control pests and add necessary nutrients to the soil. 14. Horticulture tends to favor organic and sustainable practices with limited chemical inputs. 15. Agriculture plays a vital role in the global food supply chain and is essential for food security. 16. Horticulture contributes to the beautification of urban and residential areas, as well as providing fresh produce for local consumption. 17. Agricultural practices often require substantial capital investment and infrastructure. 18. Horticulture can be practiced in smaller spaces, making it more accessible to individuals and communities with limited resources. 19. Agriculture is a highly mechanized sector, with large-scale farms employing advanced technology and automation. 20. Horticulture allows for more personal involvement and creativity in planting, nurturing, and designing gardens or landscapes. Although agriculture and horticulture share similarities in plant cultivation, they differ significantly in scale, purpose, techniques, and the crops cultivated. Both play vital roles in providing food and beautifying our surroundings.